Good afternoon, welcome to the plot. Got my squash and courgette patch here today. I've got a couple courgettes in there which need harvesting, and I also have a couple powdery leaves which has been affected by the mildew, if you can see, just in there. As soon as I see these leaves, I do cut them off from the base, which I'll demonstrate in a minute. Conveniently, I've got the contrasting leaf here, and on the courgettes they do naturally have a sort of silvery grey shimmer on there. So fortunately, like I said, you can see that one's fine and that one's the one that needs to be treated. So try not to get them mixed up, and then try not to get overly concerned if you do see them like this. It's pretty normal for courgettes, but this is a problem. So to remove this, I'll literally just go right down to the base of the stem with my snips, trying to not damage those male flowers. However, I will take that one because it's already dead. That's the leaf dealt with. Like I said, I'll just take that male flower as well. And then that will go straight on the compost heap. That's pre-compost heap, that's not the actual compost heap. The compost bins are over there. And now for the actual fruit pot. So usually it should be about 5 to 6 inches long. This one I feel I've left a bit longer than I should have, but it looks really fat and juicy. And then once again with the snips right in at the base of the stem, cut the fruit like that. It's important to pick them regularly and not let them get too big, because it will encourage new growth once you do harvest them. But that's not a bad yellow, golden rush, if I'm not mistaken, courgette. Yeah, very chuffed with that. And I will go back over and just get the other few leaves that I have seen that are starting to go mildew, powdery. Yeah, quite proud of my squash patch. As you can see, they are growing up the trellis, and my pumpkins down here starting to get nice and juicy. And yeah, looks like it's going to be a good summer in the sense of squash and courgettes. Thanks for joining me. I hope you learnt something. Have a good day.